One day I was on a walk in a forest, and the pace that I was walking was quite quick. I was walking quickly through the forest, and the longer I was in the forest, I then finally became aware of that quick pace. At first I wasn't aware of it, but the more I was in the forest, it was as if the energy of the forest itself was inviting me to consider my pace. And then I noticed my breath. And I sat down at the base of a tree and began to feel the pace of the forest. And my breath gradually became longer and slower, elongating naturally. And in that slower pace, I became aware that the whole time I was in the forest, I was looking, searching. Where I was in the forest wasn't it. I was searching for some other place in the forest. And in this moment, I was no longer searching for some other place. I was fully here in this moment with this breath. And in that moment, I noticed to my left a snail. And I, hello, snail friend. And I was just now fully available to the snail. And I noticed that the snail had its own pace. And as I was really aware of the snail, navigating life in its own pace, I realized these beings have been doing this for who knows how long, thousands of years. Who knows how many, years snails have been doing snail existence. And then I became aware, as I was fully present in this moment, not needing a different moment, not needing to be elsewhere in the forest, that allowed me to really be available to the snail. I became aware of the tree that the snail was on and that I was sitting beside. And there was this gathering, me and the snail and the tree. My pace had slowed considerably, and I was aware of the snail's pace and the tree's pace. Everything has its own pace, and I had now found my natural pace, able to be fully present in the moment. And I realized in that moment that the snail carries its home with it wherever it goes. I was noticing the shell, and it was this moment of insight. Oh, the snail's home is right there. Everywhere the snail goes is its home. And the tree. Oh, the tree right here, as it is in its home. And then it became clear, oh, how about me? Am I home? And in that moment I realized I always had been home in this divine, absolute, eternal essence. This that I have always been. I never actually left this home essence that I am, that goes everywhere I go. I never actually left this. It's always been right here. So many points in my life I was so busily searching for the next moment or the next location or the next dwelling that I could call my home. And I was reflecting on all the different homes I had lived in my journey at that point, which were many, many, many different homes that I had lived in, and none of them were the eternal home. And realized all along I had been home in this always present absolute essence, this awareness, this playfulness, this eternity, this creativity, this belly laugh, this that I am, that I have always been, and that I will always be. I can never leave this home essence that I am. In every moment, in every breath, in every heartbeat, in every walk in the forest, in every dance in the dirt, in every singing of the songs, in every sharing of the journey with every other being, all of us already home. Everywhere we go, this flowing eternal essence is and will always be our home. In every moment, already home. We never actually left. And I was so grateful to the forest, to the snail, to the tree, to the wind, to this body, to the breath. In every moment, already home.